Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to type in any language of your choice in Photoshop using Photoshop text character panel. Let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here where you have your window. Go ahead and click on window. And next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to character. Go ahead and click on character right here. Once you click on character, this panel here is going to pop up right here. Then come down below right here and choose whatever language you want to type in right here. So there are lots more languages right here that you can choose right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to type in Romania language. Go ahead and select Romania language. Then go ahead and select your type to. Then start to type in Romania. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.